How to add Tap to Cache to Control Center on your iPhone iOS 18. Now with the recent update of iOS 18, we have the ability to customize our control center. To simplify, you want to navigate through your control center right here. And once inside your control center, you can just go ahead and scroll down. And once you have reached this specific control center right here, you want to go ahead and click on this button. Right after that, we have the customization menu of our control center. To proceed, just go ahead and click on Add a Control, and this menu will show up where we have to search for Tap to Cache. And as you can go ahead and see, under the wallets option, we have the Tap to Cache on our control center. You can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.